morning children. Welcome back to Maths Track 1 session. I think you all did your exam well because the question paper is little bit easy and I have observed some solutions, means the children who have sent the answer scripts, that means through PDF or through documents or through images. We have just gone through it. How did you write? But there are small errors, children. Instead of plus, minus, instead of minus there is a plus. Silly mistakes. Okay, so don't worry children. These are all things will happen, but if you practice well, even though you know that sum, don't feel that by seeing that sum I know that I can do it very easily. Don't do such type of things. Okay, if you feel like that for the mathematics, I am telling you, you are unable to keep your pen on your paper. By seeing it's very easy, but while doing it's difficult. Okay children, is it clear? Next, coming to now at present, we have sent the PA1 question paper, no? So whenever we have a Google Meet, okay, there we are going to discuss your key. That means PA1 question paper complete key, there we are going to discuss. Still, if you have any doubts regarding that, you can ask there, okay, in the Google Meets itself. Now today we are going to start which chapter? The second chapter, that is linear equations in one variable. So before starting linear equations in one variable, first we should know about some basic concepts which you learned in earlier classes. That is, the first one is numerical expressions. Okay children, numerical expressions. Here the numerical expressions means what? You have seen about a plus, that means addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These are the four operations which are very helpful for solving any problem. Yes? Yes. Now the combination, that means suppose an expression of the form either 2 plus 3, an expression of the form 2 plus 3, 5 minus 2 or 5 into 2 minus 2, like this. And expressions of the form in this way, if you have seen any one of the means expression in this way, if you see in any one of the expression in this way, those are all comes under numerical expressions. If you clearly observe, numerical means numbers, means all numbers with the combination of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So numerical expression is clearly known that numerical expressions of the form 2 plus 3, 5 minus 2, 5 into 2 minus 2 etc. are called numerical expressions. Okay, and the second one, if you clearly observe that, the second one is mathematical sentence. What is the children? Mathematical sentence. Mathematical sentence. Okay, is it clear? Here mathematical sentence means two expressions. Here if you clearly observe in the numerical expressions, this is one expression, this is another expression. These two expressions joined with three different symbols. These two expressions joined with three different symbols. What are those three symbols? Means equal to, greater than and less than. That means, see here, 5 plus 2 equals to 2 plus 5. Actually 5 plus 2 is one expression and 2 plus 5 is another expression. They join. How they are joined? With equal to symbol. So that means you are comparing 5 plus 2 equals to 2 plus 5. So both are equal. So what happened? The numerical expressions joined with equal to symbol or 2 plus 5 is greater than 3 plus 1. That means if you clearly observe, before two expressions you have one joined symbol, that is what? Either equal to or greater than or less than symbol. Okay, so 2 plus 5 is 7, 7 is greater than 4. So like that, these symbols will helpful for joining the numerical expressions. So what is numerical expressions? Numerical expressions means what? Numerical expressions means an expressions of the form 2 plus 3, 5 minus 2, 5 into 2 minus 2, etc. are called numerical expressions. Now whereas coming to mathematical sentence means the combination, that means they joined with who joined numerical expressions. This numerical expressions joined with equal to symbol, greater than or less than symbol. So these are all comes under mathematical sentence. Here I am giving only explanation, notes part I am going to send you. Okay children, don't worry about that. Next, the other one, the next one is, okay, now coming to mathematical statement. Okay, is it clear children? Mathematical statements. That means before one is mathematical what? Sentence. This one is mathematical statement. See here, now in mathematical sentence you observe like this, 2 plus 3 equals to 3 plus 2 like this. But here coming to mathematical statements means, here 2 plus 3 equal to 3 plus 2. What is the answer? 5 equals to 5. That means, is it a true or false? It's a true. Suppose 5 plus 2 is greater than 2 plus 3. 5 plus 2 is what? 7. 7 is greater than 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay? Is it true or false? 7 is greater than 5. Yes, it is true. Suppose 5 minus 1 less than 2 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4, less than 2 minus 1 is 1. So 4 is less than 1. Is it 4 is less than 1? No, it is false. That means, what do you understand about mathematical statement now? Mathematical sentence that can be verified. That means mathematical sentence that can be verified either true or false. Either true or false. That means the second one you learn mathematical what? Here it is statement, there sentence. Mathematical sentence you learn. Mathematical sentence means what? They join with the symbol like equal to, greater than and less than. How they are joined? The numerical expressions joined with equal to symbol, greater than symbol and less than symbol, right? That is mathematical sentence. Now mathematical statement. What is mathematical statements? You may get confused. Don't worry children. Everything will be clear. Mathematical statement means mathematical sentence you take and verify that. అంటే స్టేట్మెంట్ కావాలంటే సెంటెన్స్ ని తీసుకోండి. సెంటెన్స్ ని తీసుకొని సెంటెన్స్ ట్రూ ఆర్ ఫాల్స్ ఆ, either it is true or false. Okay? Then it is called as mathematical statement. అంటే అది ట్రూ అవుతుందా ఫాల్స్ అవుతుందా చెక్ చేయాలి. Either true or false. Okay? Is it clear children? That is comes under mathematical statement. Okay, here one more important topic about mathematical statement. As I told you that it can be verified either true or false, but not both children. That means true, false, is it any time possible? Ante true, false at a time avutudandi? No, that is highly impossible. Either it is true or false, but not both. If suppose if I give one question, true or false, both will be happen? No, never it will happen like true, false. Both answers will not come. Okay? Right? Either true or false, but not both. Both in the sense true, false at a time. Rendu okkasari avvu kadandi. So that is called mathematical statement. Okay. Next, the fourth one is nothing but open sentence. Open sentence. Open sentence. Open sentence means what? Actually, what is open sentence? Open sentence means it cannot be verified either true or false. Ante true avadu, false avadu. Means it cannot be verified. So I will give you some examples, then you will understand very clearly. Suppose x plus 5 is equals to 9. Is it true or false? We don't know at all. So we don't know either it is true or false. So true cheppalamu, false cheppalamu. So such type of equations are called as open sentence. Okay, is called as open sentence. Now see here, simple equation. What is simple equation? What is simple equation? The fifth one is simple equation. Simple equation means, if you clearly observe here, I wrote here x plus 5 equals to 9. Here the degree in the sense, power. Ante x paina. This is called power. Ikkada. Suppose I am writing some example here. X square. So here degree how much, sir? 2. Ikkada degree undi 2. But here degree is nothing is there. You have to treat it as a 1. So when the degree is 1 and you are having a equal to symbol. When the degree is 1 and equal to symbol and you have only one variable here. That is called simple equation. So that comes under linear equation. Linear equation in one variable. Linear equation in one variable. Okay. Because you will observe everywhere, not only x children, you may get y plus 9 equal to 7, z plus 5 equals to 9, a plus 7 equals to 8, any variables. Okay, that means the degree should be 1. You clearly observe, you should have only one variable, and the degree should be 1. So such type of equations are called simple equations. So that is also called as linear equations in one variable. Okay, linear equations in one variable. Now today's our topic is linear equations in one variable. You have learned in 7th class about simple equations. Okay, there also you learn the similar. You know that the plus will go that side, it become minus, minus will go that side, it become plus, and into that side means division will go that side means into. That is all called transposition. So what going that side, going this side, we should not say. We should say that transposition. Transposition means it's changing its position. Okay. So for today I am going to give you the notes basing on this, the explanation, and tomorrow we'll go with what? Linear equations in one variable problems. Okay, it's very easy. First I'll tell all the equation sums, then we'll go for the word problems. Okay, is it clear, children? Have a nice day.